So this is what the wig looks like after I'm done installing. It is so beautiful. I just love this wig. It is a curly bob wig, and the color is so beautiful. It is a ginger brown color, and this wig is a 14 inches wig, and it is a 5x5 wig closure. You can just rock this wig every day. Like, it is just a put and go wig. You just put it on and you are good to go. You do not need to glue the wig if you don't want to, but if you are that kind of person who love to glue your wig and slay it, then you're good to go, because it has a very, very good lace which you can glue down, and it's going to just sink into your skin, and all that good stuff. So the wig came with all these beautiful accessories like the wig cap, the eyelash, and all the lights. And yeah, this wig is 180% density and 14 inches, like I said before. And this is what it looks like straight out of the cute bag. And yeah, I just so much love it. It is just so beautiful. It was well sewn, as you can see. Everything is seamless, and I just so much love it. And guys, this color is just so amazing. This is my first ginger brown wig, and I'm just so in love. The curls are really, really soft. I just so much love wigs with this coil pattern because they are just so easy to manage. Yeah, guys, it is just so easy to manage, to be sincere. Yeah, so I'm just going to put on this my wig cap, and I'm just going to show you all how I installed this wig. But firstly, look at the combs. These combs are really, really necessary if you really want your wig to be secure on your head. And also the elastic band is also really, really important, because you just need it to can reduce the size of the cap. If it is too big, you can just reduce the size of the cap. But this cap is a medium size. Yeah, and this wig just sit very, very comfortable on my hair, and I did not feel any headache after I installed this wig, because after I installed this wig, I stayed with it for like 5 hours, and everything was just so perfect. The wig cap, I just love how it fits on the hair, and also the hairline is very, very beautiful. And most of the times I just go ahead to use my this contour foundation, this contour powder, to just I buff it into the wig, into the lace, just so that everything seems seamless, and it also blends with my skin. Yeah, so I'll be using this Revolution contour powder. I'll just buff it into the wig. But if you are that person who loves to bleach their wigs, and then you can just go ahead to bleach your wig. But for me, this is really, really easy. I do not need to go into all that bleaching stuff, and it's also very difficult to find such a thing in Sweden. Sweden is I don't know, a country on its own. It is really, really difficult to find hair products and stuff like that. That is why I love to do DIYs on this channel. I love to make my own hair products. So yeah, I'm going to be, after that, I'm going to cut the excess lace, of course, which is not needed. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the steps. Just keep on watching.
It's not about us, you know it's not
So guys, I'm just going to spread a little bit of water, just to make sure the curls are popping and also the hair is moisturized. I just love this step, but it is totally optional if you do not want to moisturize your hair. I mean, if you do not want your hair to be like super moisturized, but who doesn't want their hair to be moisturized? So adding some water or spreading a little bit of water is really really good because your hair or your curls are just going to be popping. Yeah, after this you can also add some moisturizing cream or some curls defining cream or custard, just so your hair is super defined. Yeah, so I'll be using this one from coil mix. It is made of flaxseed, so I just love this one. It is really natural and all that good stuff. So this is what it looks like. It is really beautiful. I just love it, guys. This wig is the bomb. Look at how cute it is. I have not glued down the wig, but it still looks very very good. So if you are a student, if you're a mom, if you work, this wig is really good. Just wake up in the morning, you just put it on and you are good to go. You do not need to start gluing and stretching and using wig combs to do all sort of things. This one is just really really perfect. I just so much love it, and I love the fact, I just love the 14 inches. It's like this year 2023 is going to be giving like this short wig vibes. I just feel like I am so tired of long wigs. Like short wigs are giving, like seriously. I just feel like I really need to start trying a lot of short wigs or start wearing a lot of short wigs, because I just feel like they are so easy to manipulate, they are so easy to install and stuff like that. I'm just so much in love, guys. And there'll be a link in the description box down below, so you can go ahead to check this out. Yeah, so just check it out and get to buy your own wig. Yeah, so guys, thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye. I think I'm mercenary.